The alcohol manufacturers are calling on Parliament to scrap the proposed Sustainable Waste Management Regulations 2024, warning they could drive production costs up by 70%. The Alcoholic Beverages Association of Kenya, ABAK, argues that the regulations, which mandate producers to manage post-consumer waste and also impose multiple fees on packaging materials, are punitive to the sector. Here's Jasmine Wambui with the details.
The alcohol industry is up in arms over the imposition of new stiff fees by the National Environment Management Authority, NEMA, through the Sustainable Waste Management Regulations of 2024.
While we support all efforts to promote sustainable waste management, we are afraid that the EPR regulations are more likely to impose an unnecessary and heavy financial burden on the manufacturing sector.
Among the contentious provisions are a 150 shillings fee per packaging item, a 5% levy withheld by NEMA from waste management groups, and a 100,000 shillings annual license fees. Industry says these new fees will add over 32 billion shillings in production expenses.
We find the fees disproportionately high as they fail to consider the economic realities currently faced by the manufacturing sectors.
The regulations could not only stifle growth, but also have unintended consequences, such as pushing consumers towards illicit, because as we have said, if we are to implement the costs, we'd have to increase prices.
ABAK also saying that the State Department of Environment and Forestry did not undertake public participation in the development of the draft regulations.
Public participation should be a major consideration when drafting legislation that would have significant effect on one of the biggest contributors of growth to the Kenyan economy. There were no advertisements in the newspapers as required or on the ministry's website as expected.
The association now wants lawmakers to annul the regulations. Jasmine Wambui, Citizen TV.